Welcome back to New Car Updates, your channel for the most exclusive and luxurious rides of the future. Today, we're stepping into a world of pure power and luxury, the all-new 2025 to 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, a masterpiece that redefines the road lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel New Car Updates, and share this video as much as you can. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you the latest car updates and reviews. Thank you for being part of our journey. At first glance, the 2025 Kenworth Motorhome commands attention with its bold black and golden finish, a combination of elegance and dominance. Kenworth's signature aerodynamic design now meets the comfort of a luxury motorhome. LED matrix headlights, gold-trimmed mirrors, and a sleek chrome grille give it a royal presence on the open road. This isn't just a truck, it's a moving mansion with the heart of a Kenworth legend. Under the hood, this beast carries a Cummins X15 engine, delivering up to 600 horsepower and unmatched torque for long-haul adventures. Advanced suspension, adaptive cruise control, and Kenworth's smart drive technology make every journey smoother, safer, and more efficient. Whether you're cruising the interstate or climbing mountain roads, this motorhome delivers power with perfection. Step inside, and you'll find yourself surrounded by 5-star comfort. The cabin features hand-stitched leather seats, golden ambient lighting, and a digital controlled dashboard that feels straight out of a futuristic jet. There's a full living area, a luxury bedroom, and even a smart kitchen, everything crafted for those who live to travel in style. The 2025 to 2026 Kenworth Motorhome, where power meets luxury, and every mile feels like a dream. If you loved this preview, hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to New Car Updates for more stunning updates only on New Car Updates, your gateway to the future of luxury mobility.